everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down coding problems and make them easy to understand. Today we're solving the problem called valid parentheses from LeetCode using stacks in Java. If you ever struggle with bracket matching, this problem is perfect for you. Let's just jump right in. Given a string S containing just the character of brackets, determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if open bracket must be closed by the same type. Okay, open bracket must be closed in the correct order. And every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket at the same type. So yeah, basically open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. If this, it's false. And then if it's this is true. Okay. So let's just dive right in. We're going to use stack to solve this way. Because stack follows last in first out, which is perfect for matching brackets. We push open brackets into the stack and pop them when we find their matching closing brackets. If we find a closing brackets but the stack is empty or mismatched, we return false. Now let's code in Java. So first we're gonna check if as dot length mod 2 is not equal to 0. So what does this check? Is like if the length of the string is odd number, that means the parentheses, the brackets are not equal in numbers, so they are not in pairs anyway, so we just gotta return false, right? Otherwise we just gotta start the stack of character. Let's name it stack equals new stack stack. Okay, and then we're gonna run enhance for loop char ch of s.to character array. We just turn this string into a character array of characters. And then what are we gonna check? We're gonna check, okay, if these brackets are opening brackets. So let's check if ch is equals to this, or if ch equals curly brackets, or another, or ch equals rectangular brackets. Okay, if it's equal to any of the opening brackets, then we just add into the stack stack.push ch. We're gonna add ch into it. Else we're gonna have a character called top, and then we're gonna do stack.pop. Okay, we just gotta pop the top character, and then we're gonna compare them. We're gonna do if, we're gonna put a small brackets here, if ch is equals to closing brackets, which is this bracket now, and top is not equal to the opening one, because top is the one we pop, so it should be the opening one, right? So if it doesn't match, then we should return false. Or if ch equals another closing brackets, and if top is not equal to opening brackets of this corresponding bracket, then we also gonna return false. Or I'm gonna put it down here, or if ch equals, okay, closing square brackets and top is not equal to opening square bracket, that means they are not matching, so we can just return false. Okay, otherwise we can just return stack dot is empty. So stack dot is empty will check if it's empty, which means they're perfectly in pair. Then all of them will be popped, perfectly be in pair, so it will be empty, so we can just return. Bad operation type of binary operator? What do you mean? This is there. Okay, we got it. Perfect. And then we can try to submit this. And hopefully we got accepted. Not really. Stack.peak empty stack. Oops. Exception. Okay. So we're gonna check if the stack is already empty, so we don't need to do anything. So we're gonna check if stack dot is empty. Stack dot is empty. If it's empty, then we just gotta return false. Okay, we can try to run this again. Then hopefully we got the right output. Okay, correct. Then we can try to submit. And there we go. Okay, we got the output. So let's run through the code a little bit so that we gotta check if it's odd number, then we can just return false. Otherwise, we create a stack of character and then we just add them we add the opening brackets first. Just add the opening brackets one by one, stack.push. And then if we found any closing brackets, we gotta check if the stack is not empty so that we don't run into the error again. And then we just gotta pop that character so that we can match them. Okay, so we get the stack.pop and then we check if the current closing character is matching with the opening character that we pop. If it does not, we check for the other brackets as well. If it does not, we return false. Otherwise, every stack is pop, and at the end stack should be empty, so it should return true. Stack that is empty should return true, so we got the output that we desire. So thank you for watching, guys, and let me know if you need any help, and happy coding, guys. See you next time.